Banger. In today's video, I'm doing tricks regular, switch, nollie. Alright, I'm how to get front 180, switch 50, front side half cab out. Now, I only done this trick once, so I'm trying to get some of my harder tricks that I've only done once or twice on lock. It's all in swinging my arms, I think. That's why I don't do it. Start way back here. Oh, let's go. Alright, I just had to start back further, swing my arms, and do a quick 180. And once I get on there, just half cab out like I do when I do fakie 50 half cab out. Now, I also want to get the Nollie 5-0 on lock. I've done it here and there, but it's something I want to get solid.
Let's go.
I think I missed it.
That's it. That's it.
You know it'd be sick? Nollie front salad. Or even fakie ollie switch front salad. Either one of those. I'm going to try to get it.
Whoa.
Oh, man, hot. This is another trick I've done once or twice that I want to get on lock. Fakie back 50. My switch 180s are ugly. One day they'll get better, then I could probably do a switch front tail. Now, I also want to get my switch back nose back to switch. I've done that one time. But, I mean, it's easier for me to do it back to regular. Like right here.
Oh, nice.
But coming back out back to switch is way sicker. The main point of this video is to remind you to sharpen up some of your good tricks. Like, you know, when you start off skating, you got some warm-ups. Always start off warming up. And every time you warm up, add another hard trick to your warm-up. Until sooner or later, your whole warm-up is all harder tricks. Or tricks that are rare that most people don't really do. And that's not easy to do because there's a, you know. But I'm just saying, work on some of your harder tricks and get them on lock. There's some of the tricks you've only done once or twice. It was sick. You were celebrating. You were hyped. You were like, yeah. But then you only did it once. And then you go back and try the trick again, and then you can't do it. So sharpen up all the stuff you got and relearn some of your old tricks. Savage Life, let's go.